Ye pon Otumfuo no okasa. Ose me obi etimi nya me hwe o. Obaso che se ne beye no ano din.
He's telling you that the wizard spirit that he has in him is so strong.
Hey! And yo, this is horrible.
Sofo Kyirabosom obo Asantehene beyana. Sofo Kyirabosom obo Opemso Yera Osei Tutu obo de beyana. I was going through social media and I because a video way Samai or preach say there he doesn't preach about Jesus Christ again. Or say there there's no heaven, there's no hell. Bible no abrofo and the Bible that Jesus Christ he is not the Son of God. They say he is preaching his own different gospel.
Yeah, concentrating on the nation building. Spiritual thing because the church have done nothing to support the country, which I say omunye bibia fa more minor. Oh, and I said what one you call heaven, you call me Muslim me you should be jane you should be with me one me let me be hey yes you should be let me go so for was one day answer ma that is my say yes am one you offer onkofo bi oba omo bresu you kuro makra Israel no one let me go let me go Bible must my catching in and no maybe a sibri be a trim in atro de abreye. Tava no win to my banana every day, you give fried rice, every in chin and papa beef. Send me be joining you, Muja. I want to your kind of only heaven hell crane. Oh, there be no Monsemji or Henifa. Monsemji, a wahene. Omoboa, it's a scam. A nada. Heaven is a scam. A nada. What I say, so following me be between their bony penty and what can have in hell.
Now, I was going through social media and I'm cooking video here. Now, say, Ojina, now sorry them whole. I don't know, say, my friend, I sorry them more because they say he is not preaching about Jesus Christ. Now, Asama, Obekan say, Asantehene, before. Now, answer na, Mema Yako, share video no. Gintia me Bishop Dag Heward Mill's picture abetuho. Now, beside Asante Youth. And so picture abeto what he said. Sebekaya few years ago. Old messenger Bishop Dag a preachy old message. That time Asante Youth. Sorry, yes, Obu who did know. Now Bishop Dag a preachy message you bear 5-7 years ago. Ena Obiku Yipie Emma Asante Youth Ebeji Jinemu. Who did this? Catch the Bishop Dag say. Now sorry Diana I was Asante Hegina must be close. Now on Simra Ebe Pacho. Be a Santini Pio. Now be Sansu Christo di as somebody buy no Ayabia Eti Aja Berry Day become Manutumu Mankahe. Now sa video we are Abbey. It is going round on social media. But Asante Youth no almost original say Bishop Dag Ebrabe Pacho no. They have remained quiet as Asemukra Obote say Obo Asantehene beye say Asantehene beye tirimuno anoso no abeka say Asante Youth Obote say Obote ya me kaimo say asem say ena sa mai I can't call him say Osofo say no Osofo because Jesus Christ ena o preach efa no say no Osofo etimiti makase sa mai no sa man no asem na waka afa Asantehene ho no sa Asantehene beye for no Asante Youth ade edit moye ade afa ho enti no bode mama yenko hisa video na man ni kasa no na after that no I will add my response. The message say bia the first time I over my channel you so kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, after drop a comment so na bitimi issue be free ho. I learn from you through your comment. Okay, so comment and follow me, hit the notification bell so that me upload new video be on Sabeka alert no. So yanko na yankuti asama sa mai your friend Kyirabosom I can't call him pastor sa mai asama kan yanko na yankuti
adwene ye adwumenti
your man work effectively
o man bayi kofo o dwani kuo
is
ho no Otumfuo
that is where
MP fo bebre ho no mo
lot of MPs
are spiritual who niema no mo ye
those spiritual things that what are they using for Bible? And yet they are the people ruling you. They are the people ruling you.
What one man no can kind and the media
reading me I'm this I'm that.
Kyirabosom won down.
Come to Sofo Kyirabosom and be free. Give a clap of offering unto it. You know the type of witchcraft that dwells in them. Overhead, he was saying that nobody can do anything. Is it the power that he has in him? Nobody can do anything. He's telling you that the wizard spirit that he has in him is so strong. He doesn't read the Bible anyway. He gives reference to pastors. He really knows what dwells in him. That's what you call yourself pastor. You bow down before you and ask you to pray.
These leaders in this nation, they don't even respect any pastor. Spiritual pastor,
they speak to you in the spiritual realms. They know you. They will speak. They use them so as they
don't respect any of them.
Where they have not been there. What they have at hand, you don't have it at all.
Just as I did explain previously, no. Asantehene Youth, the person become we edit chire say ayabudu asante di edit me ka say. Nemo no be a Christo di enti me friend who Christo kotoko. Be a kotoko di be sanso ye Christo di. And I know Bishop Dag asebaye. Mo kan say Bishop Dag not only say obra be pacho. Then sorry dan ewo Asantehene bu hagina. Mo kan say o close to gina kopim say obeba be pacho. Bidi bo bia o kan sa adwene no edit chire mo edit to mo tribu say Sofo ayeboni a yen close na sorry dan ewo Asantehene aha because Sofo no or representing Onyankopon. It is Sofo no po na waye boni a. Mo kan che Sofo no say Sofo no emra ebe pacho. Na sorry dan ya mo ka say o close no no. It is Nka Bishop Dag ewo airport ewo Kumasi a. Anase nka owo hospital ewo Kumasi a. Anase nka owo university ewo Kumasi a. Anase nka owo transport station bi ewo Kumasi a. Nka mo be ka che say o close before the hospital no. Anase o close airport no. Anase o close school no. Sana kama we catch na. On say most of you Asantefo no, fellow Asantefo no. On say you are developing hatred against Christianity. Na mo Bishop Sofo Kyirabosom on share that correct. On share that Christo ni Sofo. Eti say sasa no wakampo like asem no en share that enfam ho sa. Then so asema Bishop Dag e kan years ago. They about 5-7 years ago. Boko yi sa video dubai. Edi jina so edi didi Bishop Dag atem. Ejina so edididi a Christopher ede asofo bebre atem mo Asantehene Youth na bo ho no de important no eje important emfa mamo de eje important no and mo spend a lot of time ewo ho ye tu galamsey ewo Asantehene ye say yensuo mo dem say duro na o mo de tu a friend say galamsey no oba ko Columbia in 10 years time 20 years time 50 years time no e mo fra ye be wu no obu na beye ayarefo edobedi ade Asantehene hwan de di akire ebeja obu it is kamo pe demonstration bi aye demonstration papa edimojabu mu bi aya anase kamo pe se buye dede na motwe sebe ebubube awo me fa de commercial monte so edi social media na kamo beye press conference se mo pe de edimojabu mu a o se kamo ye editia na galamsey because eno na omoku edi say yen sase ye na no be ku jin sase di nsuo edi to ho ma ye nchirima ye pay yi so yi ye de galamsey say no eno de Asantehene Youth omu nya ho a friend say eyi da omu nya ho demonstration da omu nya ho press conference da eno hu hi omu kra eno hu hi omu nanso so odi amasofo bi enko kasa na no enko patre I don't support Sofo bi ebe kasa amana kotia behene opimiso say tu tim no said na me kan no Bishop Dag video no buy no me kra no I couldn't talk like asem ebe to me so nemo no de ema be bufu ye de say mo Asantehene Youth no mo kan say on close na sorry ewo Asantehene hagina. That is why I'm asking you this question. Say senka Bishop Dag ewo hospitals ewo Asantehene ha na kamo beka say on close hospitals no na amamfo a eda me fa the hospital ho a omoji ayarehwe no kamo beka say omo MPM free hall man senka Bishop Dag ewo university anase radio station bi anase TV station bi eye adwuma afa Asantefo ma omo ye adwuma ho omo ye adwuma enya omo daily bread ede akɔhwɛ obabusu omusu ya Asantefo senka Bishop Dag wodwuma transport stations adom ni ade ɛwɔ Asantema mu de ka mobeka akire Bishop Dag say on close those friends say schools and I say hospitals no and I say find transport stations na senka Bishop Dag abeyi kwan bi ade ato Asantema mu ha ba bia na ka mobeka say on close sa ekwan na so most of you don't have fear for God and I say you don't have love for Christianity. Okay, or time ewo mubuti no more the time a friend Christo mubuti no e mamoko taking that decision say Bishop Dag close na sorry I wo Asantema mu akopim say obeba ba be pacho asem na muka ye no anase ade na moye no Asantema Youth no mo anwene ho minimu bia otu mu sa afutuboni no a mo be kan asasem no edifa Bishop Dag ho enoti de me pese me yes a video we it is not because I want to resurrect something. Okay, it is past, dead and gone. I am not resurrecting anything. But me said that's a yes a video we edi actually fellow Asantehene bia obehwe say video we say Boba ye bisa ye ho say Asante ye tan Kristosum anata ye do Kristosum. When we say Sofo Kyirabosom de on shada je nyame Sofo ono no me di ba bia wakwaji di tumi afri. Eti ono no de oka asem na okatia opimso ye hiri say tu dia en shada mfam ho. Obo opimso say tu beye. And so mashada aya madwi say video no samatio sabutio ya samatia edia asem na moka kire Sofo Kyirabosom. Ana say de Sofo Kyirabosom kan no nukura na nukura mpa say opimso say tu oya na bayifo said ye event Sofo Kyirabosom kan no nukura sa na mo video bi sa na ana say mo such evidence na asem say na obi aka kire ye hene. And so Asantema Youth like bia Asantema Youth you will pretend say asim say asem no monte and so go free we find say opambo Ebenezer go free Bishop Dag go free we find say Ajinasare go free Osubempa go free when Apostle General and I say some men of God and come over here demonstration adia ehia nko ho demonstration na boye de ehia no ho de boye and until me be Asantehene and so I will never join this Asantema Youth at the end no be homo so like I don't see any benefit, I don't see any real significance, I don't see one. So be hubia then I can come and join you, but I haven't seen it, so I don't know why I should come and join you. And today is the video that I want to show to you. Be Asantehene to say wa until before you come and insult me no say oh nana Asantehene na both your mother side, both your father side. So nana no be na Asantefo to say me nana no be Asantefo na. Then come and insult me. Nemo no be friend who Christo kotoko. Be Asantehene, be kotokonia, be sanye Christo ni. Elote no bibia ewo Asantema mu anase Asantehene mu enkuntia Bible no. I support it. Enkuntia Sofo no. I support it. Enkuntia Kristosom no. I support it. Nemo dia ebeko tia Kristosom dia. I will not support it. That is why I don't support Asante Youth no. I don't support them. Okay, Bishop Dag asem no kan one kan ye enti no let Bishop Dag come and apologize fine. And I say bia anyway bia obe atonu for near okan no fine. Now to go and close his churches, that is why I am asking you say senka our hospitals are amanfo egu hospital ho egi ayarehia na kamo beka kire Bishop Dag say on close hospital na but mo ka say on close church because I don't know the hear mo. Darkness is failing most of the youth. Most of you youth, darkness is failing your heart. That is why you were able to get the courage to tell him say he should close churches. But I thank God say Asantehene didn't agree with you. And Bishop Dag ended up friends meeting Asantehene and even praying for him, as you can see in this video. So I just want to end here and thank you very much. Bye.
Yes, and one more thing. When I was in, I passed through the UK. Yes. And I visited with Otumfuo. That is Otumfuo. I visited him with, take out the picture for a moment. Hello? Yeah, I was saying that I visited with Otumfuo with about 25 of our bishops and pastors. Visited with a big delegation in his mansion in the UK. and we brought greetings, and we had a very warm fellowship together. So he has invited me to Menshia, so I'll be going there. So that's the picture. I was praying for him. Yeah. Yes, and then that's beautiful picture. Oh, are you not clapping? The Bible says, you shall prophesy to many people, to nations, to tongues, and to kings. So we are blessed also to have such a warm fellowship. Oh, I don't know whether you are clapping properly. Amen. Oh, yes. So I prayed for the Asante kingdom as well. So Asante man. Oh, yes. And then where's the other picture? Show the other picture again. Beautiful. So we had a very warm, cordial, beautiful fellowship, private and with a larger group, and it was very beautiful. So, oh yes, we were very, very warmly received. Very, very warmly, and it was a very powerful fellowship. So I wanted to make sure that I tell you that before I almost forgot. Yes. Oh yes, Menshia will be there by the grace. Some of you want to come with me, isn't it?
Tell